In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home, attending a virtual class, or managing a project, knowing how to record meetings in Teams can be incredibly useful. It allows you to review discussions, share information with those who couldn't attend, or simply keep a record for future reference. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your browser of choice. Once it's loaded, you should head over to the search bar and type in Microsoft Teams. Hit Enter, and you'll see the official Teams page pop up in the search results. Click on that link to proceed to the Microsoft Teams login page. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you've entered those, click the Login button, and in no time, you should find yourself on the Teams main interface. If you encounter any login issues, double-check your credentials or reset your password through the given option. Now that you're logged in, it's time to either start a new meeting or join one that's already in progress. From the main dashboard, you can easily do this by clicking on the Calendar tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see the option to Meet Now, or join any scheduled meeting available. Starting a meeting is sometimes more straightforward as it gets you quickly set up, but joining an existing one works just as well. Once you're in the meeting environment, shift your attention to the meeting toolbar, usually located at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several interactive icons, but keep an eye out for the three dots, which indicate More Actions. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Temporarily set your focus on finding the Record and Transcribe choice. By clicking this, you'll have the option to Start Recording. Select that, and there you go. Your meeting is now being recorded. You'll see a notification pop up for everyone in the meeting, letting them know that the session is being recorded. Additionally, a little red light will appear on screen, indicating that the recording is indeed active. When you've captured everything you need, or if the meeting comes to an end, simply click back on the three dots, select Stop Recording, and you're done. It's important to note that recordings will also stop automatically once the meeting concludes, so you don't have to worry about it continuing unnecessarily. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your Microsoft Teams meeting. Remember, recorded meetings are stored for later review, usually in the cloud, allowing you to revisit them anytime conveniently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.